Your business is hauling freight. Delivering goods on time and in perfect condition is of the utmost importance to you and your customer. Hendrickson's patented ZMD, Zero Maintenance Damping System, gives you peace of mind, knowing that your freight is further protected by Hendrickson's advanced trailer suspension system technology. ZMD technology solves the age-old problems of deteriorating damping, costly maintenance, and roadside inspection violations associated with traditional shock absorbers. This revolutionary improvement in suspension damping eliminates the maintenance time and costs associated with shock replacement to help you achieve more uptime and profitability. ZMD integrates the suspension damping into the air springs through engineered channels that interconnect the rubber bellows and the piston. The air spring's patented design provides continuous suspension damping and trailer isolation all in one package without adding additional moving parts or fluids to the air springs. ZMD automatically adjusts to the trailer's load, and damping is consistent for the life of the air spring. The system does a superior job of isolating the trailer from road inputs, whether you're fully loaded or deadheading. Because of the improved suspension damping performance, ZMD provides a comfortable ride for the driver and additional protection to the cargo and trailer structure from road inputs to help extend the life of your assets. Let's take a closer look at how the system works. Notice how the impacts from the road can travel from the suspension to the trailer and ultimately to the cab and driver when the suspension is equipped with shock absorbers. These forces are diminished with ZMD technology, reducing the impact on your trailer, cargo, and driver. Additionally, as it works to keep the tires on the road, ZMD technology provides damping as the suspension travels up and down, whereas shock absorbers damp primarily as the suspension travels downward. All of this helps provide a more comfortable driving experience, less wear on trailer components, and more payload protection. By providing enhanced protection for critical assets like the trailer, the freight, and the driver, fleets can become a more attractive option for new drivers and shippers in this highly competitive market. With all of these features tested and validated at Hendrickson's state-of-the-art research facility, you can feel confident your freight will reach its destination safe and secure. ZMD, Zero Maintenance Damping, from Hendrickson.